Hi everyone, we're on a mission. We need to find out what is X and what is Y. So PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to start with 6 divided by 4. And I don't know, I'm just going to write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. And then I'll keep the parentheses and then write the exponent and then bring down the 4 down and the minus 6 down. Now we're looking at this. PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to start with exponents. So to make more room, and what this is telling me is we need to multiply 6 over 4 times 6 over 4. So let me just erase all this to make some space and write 6 over 4 times 6 over 4. And what is 6 times 6? 36 over 4 times 4 is 16. And notice the 36 over 16 can be simplified further. So let me just write that here for more space, 36 over 16. And they're both even numbers. So I'm just going to half them. So what is half of 36? 18. Good job. Over, what is half of 16? 8. Good job, because 8 times 2 is 16, and 18 times 2 is 36. And then we just keep halving them. So what is half of 18? 9, right? Because 9 times 2 is 18. Over, what is half of 8? 4, because 4 times 2 is 8. Look at that. And that's it. You can't simplify that further. 9 over 4 it is. And now I'm going to bring down the 4 minus 6 down. And make sure we keep the parentheses on that 9 over 4. So 4 minus 6, and then 9 over 4. And looking at PEMDAS, we're going to multiply 6 times 9 over 4. So you're probably thinking, how can you do that? Well, let's make this math more simple. Let me just erase all this, and we're going to write that 6 in a fraction form, 6 over 1 times 9 over 4. And then bring down that minus sign, and let's write that 4 in a fraction form. 4 over 1 equals 4, does not change to 4. 6 over 1 equals 6, does not change to 6. And now it looks even better. So now multiplication goes first, not subtraction. So we're going to multiply across. So what is 6 times 9? Let's use our fingers. So you drop the 6 down out of 10 fingers, or 4 fingers and 2 thumbs. So bring down the 6. You got 50 and 4, right? So 54 over 1 times 4 is 4. And so we can break this down. Yeah, they're both even. So let's just half them. So half of 54 is 27, right? Yeah, 27. Uh-oh, I'm running out of space. 27, and half of 4 is, let's just double check. 27 times 2. So 7 times 2 is 14. 4. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 5, yeah, 54. So that's right. Just had to double check. All right. So it's 54. Half of 54 is 27 over 2, right? Because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that's it. You can't simplify this further. And now I'm going to erase all this work that we did. And then let me just rewrite this over here a little bit bigger. So it's going to be 4 over 1 minus 27 over 2. And erase this. And now we're going to use the butterfly method to help us. And I want to use a different color. Let me use green. This is green. Yes, it's green. All right, so we're going to draw 2 antennas, 2 wings, and a body. So I'm drawing the first wing, 4 times 2, which is, this is the antenna, 8. Good job. And then 1 times 27, and here's the other antenna. So here's the second wing and the second antenna. So 1 times 27 is 27. And let's just flip those numbers around because we're subtracting. Let's make things a little more simple. So 27 minus 8, and that's going to be a negative. So what is 27 minus 8? Well, let's just do this. Borrow, this becomes 17. And then if you got $17 and you take away 8, you got 9 left. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. So you got negative, it's a negative 19 over, and then 1 times 2, that's the body, is 2. So that will be your denominator. Don't leave yet because you need to figure out what x and y is. So I give you the improper fraction answer. You're going to use the long division to help you solve what's x and y. I just gave you the improper fraction answer. So I know you all can do this. So I'm just going to write this here. So negative 19 over 2. You're going to write the mixed number answer here. And then, well, you can't write it on my board, but just put those in the comment section down below. And just to help you, here's the long division symbol and the 19. And you know the answers are going to be negative. So 19 goes inside the long division symbol and the 2 goes outside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend and this is called the divisor. So go ahead and put those answers in the comment section down below. Figure out what's x and what is y. And then also give me the decimal answer for this math problem. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Yes, don't forget, put those answers in the comment section down below. See you in the next video. Bye.